Welcome to Regular Expressions from Beginning to End, a course offered by Splunkable. We're going to cover the history of regular expressions and how they're used today in Splunk. Going to highlight all the resources you need to use to advance your Splunk career, go over the basic characters in RegEx to know. That includes quantifiers, your RegEx anchors, groupings, capture groups, and especially named capture groups for a lot of common syntax that you would see. Of course, we're going to do a lot of work in Splunk and get very familiar with beefing up our named capture groups and pulling out all of our fields of interest. We're going to leverage all of the commands in Splunk that use regular expressions to include the rex command, the regex command, and of course the erex command. Further, we're going to leverage the sed command with data masking and go over some example use cases with that command as well, and wrap it up using the field extractor GUI front end in Splunk and make those regular expressions a bit better. Hope to see you there in Regular Expressions from Beginning to End, offered by Splunkable.